This 1995 Hurricane Fundeck 22 feet, priced at $7,500, offers great value for a well-maintained deck boat. With its 120 HP Force Mercury two-stroke engine, it starts instantly and runs reliably, delivering solid power. The boat is in turnkey condition, regularly used and ready for the water. No project needed here. Notable upgrades include a new Bluetooth stereo, restored vinyl seats, and a Bimini top installed just a year ago. The boat also features new LED nav lights, fuel hoses, and hydraulic steering. It's been kept dry and clean, stored under a roof, ensuring its great shape. The galvanized trailer, included in the price, is in excellent condition with new lights, rims, tires, and axles. With current registrations and 30 gallons of fresh gas in the 55-gallon tank, this boat is ready for a test ride on a nearby lake for serious buyers.